Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off others' rod effects in Fish It Roblox. So if you're annoyed with so many sparkles and neon lights of others' rods like this players right here, I'm going to show you the exact settings to go to hide other players' rod effects. And this is one of the new features in Fish It. So if you want to do the same, just follow my guide. So first you can just go click on settings at the top. And this is the new settings that you can adjust others rod effects. So you can just toggle it off. And once you do that, the others rod effect will turn off or will not be shown in here. You can also adjust it with your on or with the self rod effects. If you want to turn off your rod effects, you can just again toggle it off like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the